Top 5. Best catfish baits. Feeders and feeders always on the lookout for something good to eat. They eat almost anything and make eager bait biters. Number 5. Danny King Catfish Punch Bait. Baited catfish bait disperses a potent scent that travels through the water, drawing in catfish from all around. It is a tried and true bait for catching all types of catfish and is especially effective on channels. You can use it as your go-to bait. Strong and fast dispersing scent. Long-lasting and convenient. Super sticky and sticks well on hooks. Number 4. Sonny's Channel Catfish for stink bait. Big catfish also love the smell and flavor of blood, and this top-rated catfish bait has a blood flavor. Its strong bloody smell attracts catfish almost immediately, but also break down in the water, and the scent and flavor disperse, luring even more catfish. Optimized for channel catfish. Irresistible stink. Attractive blood flavor. Our newest choice, only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best catfish baits or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Berkley Gulp Catfish Soft Fishing. Chunks look just like chicken liver and are enhanced with Berkley's irresistible and fast dispersing scents and flavors to give them a strong, meaty scent and flavor that travels far and wide, attracting all types of catfish, but is especially effective on channel catfish. Scented and flavored. Easy to hook and they hold really well. More durable than natural liver. Number 2. Team Catfish SI12 Sudden. And works very well especially on channel catfish. Its intense smell lures them in immediately and they hit it hard. The bait breaks down gradually and the water spreads it out, attracting even more cats. It is effective on all kinds of water bodies from lakes. Stays on hooks well. Effective stinky catfish bait. Versatile all-around bait. Number 1. Catfish Charlie Wildcat Catfish, especially the big ones. This wildcat blood dip bait drives them wild and they can't help but gobble it up. It is made to have an extra sticky consistency so it sticks to worms or sponges well and disperses in the water, slowly luring farther away cats to it. Blood scented dip bait. Sticky consistency. Strong smelling. Our newest choice, only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best catfish baits or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.